What it do, man? It's your boy, Shout Out Pimp, ATL, hit them streets, back with another episode. And hey, man, I'm in my work truck. Y'all say y'all want to be truck drivers. That's what you're gonna do in Atlanta. Most of the time, sitting in traffic. Cars everywhere. Traffic. I mean, the quickest thing, yeah, you'll pick up a load, you'll get a little break. Then when you get back on this freeway, this infamous 285 in Georgia, traffic. So I'm just cruising along. They actually used to take me, get one part used to be like 5 minutes, 15 minutes back. They take an hour to go 15 miles an hour. Maybe 10 miles an hour. 30 minutes. But I'll just exaggerate a little bit. Yep. And the rain don't make it no better. It's raining. Everybody text message. Not me though. Hey, my phone's sitting up. But everybody text message. It's raining. Everybody impatient. There's some good football games on last night. I guess everybody's still feeling good. Over the 3-day weekend, MLK weekend, look at buddy. He don't even supposed to be in that like big box truck. Box truck just all just, hey man, before we ride with these box trucks. I got a big truck. I can't get over that. I can, cause they got another truck in the third, man. I should get over there and follow them, but you know what? I'm gonna. But yeah, man, tell a friend, man. We all win, man. Like I say, merch coming to the school. Come be part of the hit team, man. Invest in your boy. That's what y'all can do, man. Invest in me, man. And I do this, man. I treat this shit like the dope game. And we're gonna run it up. In those streets, you two gonna be big, man. Big like everybody else. And whoever invests in me, I'm bringing y'all with me, man. Bringing y'all with me. I got a big plan for this. Big plan. So we're gonna touch on that a little base. You know, like I say, man, the channel's for having fun. That's all we're gonna do, having fun. We ain't worried about today's problems or tomorrow's problems. Or today's politics or tomorrow's politics. We're not worried about that because we are traditions. We don't worry about nobody helping us. We go get it. That's what we do. On this page, hit team, I mean, we don't worry about what nobody say because we motivate us. We gonna go get it. Hey man, where he going? Who told you to go that fast? I want to go that fast. But I can't. Get off at this exit, man. You know what? I like talking to y'all. You know what? I'm really feeling this. Hey, man, I'm a new tuber. I'm really feeling this out, man. Just talking to y'all. Just talking to y'all, man. Y'all like my voice. Oh, man, we moving now. Moving. But yeah, man. Y'all come on in, man. Oh, big power. Y'all come on and join the team, man. Join the team, man. Hey, look, I'm starting from scratch. Like, I ain't got no help. So I'm learning off other YouTubers. And, man, taking their little sauce. I ain't stealing their sauce. I'm just, taking their sauce. And, man, we're going to grow this channel, man. We're going to grow it real big. Make it big. I got big plans 2023. Yeah, I ain't got nothing but 100-something subscribers. But they're my real folk. You know, they say your first subscribers be your real subscribers. Right. The rest of y'all, come on, man. Y'all come on and join, man. I'll be on my Instagram page. Everyone is up to 1,000. About a week. Y'all can do that for me. But, like I said, it's a little short video, freeway talk. Start giving y'all freeway talk. Because all I'll do is sit in traffic. Sit in traffic. I be peeking the folk cars, see what they doing. Let's see. Yep, she ain't doing that. Yep, they both Texas. But this is my ex, man. I'm about to get off, man. But hey, man, Hitting These Streets YouTube channel, man. Hey, man, tell a friend. We all win. It's your boy, Shawty Pimp ATL. Checking out with a short episode. Man, I'm out.